Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bread at home. Oftentimes people think that it is very difficult and daunting to make bread, but I'm going to give it to you today, simple and beginner friendly, step-by-step way on how to make bread at home. First, we're starting with one cup of warm milk. This is powdered milk dissolved in warm water. Into that, I add 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of dry active yeast. Now, you can add as much or as little sugar as you like, but these 6 tablespoons of sugar is perfect for the amount of flour we're going to be making, and it guarantees you sweet and delicious bread. So that was the brand of yeast that I used, okay? And then you just mix everything till well combined. Cover with a kitchen towel and just allow the yeast to froth up for about 3 minutes or even more. That's to confirm that your yeast is active. Next, you go in with 1 egg, mix everything till it is well combined and it looks all comes together pretty much, and it looks like this. We're going to be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, not bread flour. You can use any flour you have, but I'm using all-purpose flour. Once you add in your flour, go in with a spatula and then just mix till everything is well combined. It's going to look like this, a bit sticky, a bit messy, but not to worry, it is going to come together. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy Eto. I am a Nigerian food blogger and influencer, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Do make sure to subscribe so you never miss my videos. Onto a flat surface, I transfer the dough and I'm just going to knead this with my hand till it comes together and it's looking something like a good dough. It is going to be sticky, which is why you're using a flat surface. Now, after kneading for about a minute or two, I go in with 2 tablespoons of butter. This is unsalted butter, and I'm just going to knead and mix that into the dough till everything is well incorporated. It is going to be sticky, but not to worry. Keep kneading. Everything is going to come together. If it gets too sticky, dust on some extra flour to your dough, but be very careful dusting your flour. Don't dust too much at a time. Just go little by little in bits till your dough is not sticky. You want a soft dough, but it doesn't have to be sticky. Knead till it looks smooth and then transfer onto an oiled bowl so that your dough doesn't dry up, okay? Rub your dough around the oil and then just cover with cling film to rise for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, your dough must have risen and it should double in size and look something like this. Now open up your dough and punch out the excess air. Transfer your dough to a flat surface again and then just need to get out all of the excess air that have been trapped inside while it was rising. Again, if you're watching up to this point and you're enjoying what you're seeing, please do subscribe, leave me your comments, also leave me any recipe that you would love to see. Now I went ahead to cut my dough into 3 parts. You can do even more parts and then roll it out, just not thin, not thick, just roll it out long enough and then fold your dough into a log, okay? You're going to fold your dough into a log just like you see me doing in this video. Please note you can completely do this with the entire dough and not even cut it into 3 or more parts like this if you want, but I was going for the bread that looks like 3 dough combined in one. Now once you have it like that, place it onto a buttered baking dish. Make sure your baking dish is buttered so that it doesn't stick to it, and then proceed to cover this dough up and allow it to rise for another 30 minutes till it doubles in size. You guys, at that time you should already turn on your oven to be preheating. Now let's make egg wash. 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix till everything is well combined and looks like this, and that is your egg wash. Set it aside. We are going to be rubbing that on top of our dough once it is risen. As you can see, our bread has doubled in size and looking all puffy and fluffy. We're going to brush that egg wash generously onto our bread, and it looks like this, and bake this for about 25 minutes under 250 degrees. Once it is baked and brown like this and you bring it out, please rub some butter on top of your bread. That will keep it moist and nice till you are ready to eat it and devour it. And you guys, this is how easy and simple it is to make bread at home. Did you enjoy this video? Let me know in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up and do subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.